Okay, with the HNO3 bromine water as well products. What are the products we discussed to find out the structure? What are the products? Okay. So here from this, some couple of reactions are here. From this, I will ask one numerical question. Okay. Yes. You should answer. Sorry. Next. Okay, that is about the cyclic structure of the glucose. Next, cyclic structure of fructose. Fructose also present in cyclic structure. Gopal. Okay, fructose also present in cyclic structure. Fructose also present in cyclic structure. Fructose also present in cyclic structure. Okay, see this. CH2OH, C double bond O, CH2OH, OH, H, here OH. Hydrogen this side. Rotate this one now. C double bond O, CH2OH, here OH, H, OCH2, OH hydrogen, this one OH hydrogen. Okay, cyclic structure. Here 5-member ring. Again here this one form a cyclic hemiacetal with OH at 5th carbon. At 5th carbon. That means here we will get the 5-member ring. We will get the 5-member. So actually here between the 5-member ring and 6-member ring, 6-member ring is stable. Okay, but here this form a only 5-member ring. That means here with OH at the 5th carbon combines. If it form a cyclic structure with OH at the 6th carbon, you will get the 6-member ring. Okay, we will get the 6-member. But in sucrose, it is present in a 5-member ring. In sucrose, it is present in a 5-member. For sucrose, 6-member ring also exists. Both 5-member ring as well as 6-member ring. Both are exist. But in sucrose, it is present in a 5-member ring form. Okay, in sucrose, it is present in a 5-member. Of course, glucose 6-member ring. Sucrose is a combination of the glucose and fructose. That glucose present in a 6-member ring. This fructose is present in a 5-member. Okay, that's first year. Okay, now here we will get the two structures of this OHCH2 on the left side, here OH on the right side. This one becomes a O minus. This O minus combines with the H plus. So next remaining H OH, H OH, OCH2 H, and this is the oxygen. This is one structure. Next, here OH on the left side, here CH2OH on the right side. H OH, HOH, here OHCH2H, this also. Okay, then cyclic structure. Cyclic structure. Actually here, the 5-member ring with oxygen is the furan. Actually it is a furan. It is a furan. So here in this case, here OH on the right side, it means downward. OH down, Caustic reading. Look here. CH2OH. This hydrogen down, this OH upward. This OH down, this hydrogen upward. Here in this case, this hydrogen down, here OH CH2. This is alpha D minus D sugar and levorotatory D minus here fructofuranose 5-member ring furan fructofuranose, and similarly this one OH upward CH2 OH down, remaining groups are same. So this is beta D minus fructofuranose. Okay, that's it. They are the alpha anomers. Hey, much pay. Cyclic structure of the glucose has how many chiral carbons? Acyclic structure of the glucose has a 4 carbons. Cyclic structure of the glucose has a 5 carbons. Because newly generated anomeric carbon you should add. Cyclic structure of the glucose has a 5 chiral carbons. Now, acyclic structure of the fructose has a 3 chiral carbons. Now, cyclic structure of the this one. Here in this case, the first one is second. Here 3, 4, 5, 6. In glucose, first carbon is the anomeric carbon. In fructose, second carbon is the anomeric carbon. Okay, because reaction takes place at the second carbon. That's it. So here it is a anomeric carbon. This is anomeric carbon. Okay, these two are the anomers. Which anomers? C2 anomers. C2 anomers. Different configuration of this C2. That C2 is a newly generated chiral carbon. Okay, so here you can write like this here. Acyclic structure of glucose has 5 chiral carbons. Okay, now cyclic structure of glucose has 4 chiral carbons here, 5 chiral carbons. Okay, acyclic structure of fructose has 3 chiral carbons. Now cyclic structure of fructose has a 4 chiral carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a note of it. Okay. Now question is write the structure of alpha and beta fructopyranose. Fructopyranose, not fructofuranose. Fructopyranose. Fructopyranose means here this OH form cyclic imine ester. Ana? Write the structure. ఈ OH తో కంబైన్ చేయాలి మీకు అర్థమైంది మీకు చేయండి ఫస్ట్ రైట్ డౌన్ దిస్ వన్ దెన్ రైట్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆల్ఫా బీటా fructopyranose not furanose. You see structure of the mannose, glucose mannose are the which epimers? C2 epimers. Just change the position of the C2 carbon. Here it is a glucose. Here it is alpha H, OH downward H. Here OH H. This one is the OH CH2. This is alpha, na? Alpha D glucose. This is alpha D glucose. Now write the structure of mannose alpha OH downward. So it is alpha D mannose. Glucose mannose are the C2 epimers. So position of OH and H different. C2 epimers 1, 2 C2 epimers. That C2 carbon different configuration. So remaining all carbons configuration is same. So OH H. OH H. That's it. Alpha D mannose. If OH upward, beta D mannose. Alpha D mannose and beta D mannose. Now here child form. This is alpha. This is alpha. Now this OH. OH in glucose equatorial. Now here axial. Just change the position at the C2 carbon. So OH. Here equatorial. Here equatorial. This one equatorial. This is alpha D mannose. Now write the structure of beta D mannose. OH equatorial. OH equatorial. This one OH. This is OH. This one is the OH. Now this is the OH. Now in case of the alpha D glucose and beta D glucose, which is more stable? Beta. Because OH is in a equatorial position. In case of the mannose, alpha D mannose and beta D mannose, which is more stable? Alpha is more stable. In this case, alpha is more stable. Why? Because, okay, here it is a beta D mannose. Okay, here in this case, this lone pair of alkanes, lone pair of alkanes. Here lone pair of alkanes, lone pair. Here lone pair of alkanes, here lone pair of alkanes. Actually, at C2 carbon, OH axial position, upward direction. This OH equatorial position, upward direction. So here lone pair repulsion takes place. But in this case, here in this case, write the structure for the glucose. This OH, this is OH downward. At C2 carbon, OH in glucose downward. This OH upward. No lone pair repulsions. The key point. Okay, advanced keys out there. This OH equatorial upward. At C2 carbon in mannose, OH upward. In glucose downward. Because there is a different configuration at the C2 carbon, glucose and mannose. So here this is upward, this is upward, more repulsions. Here also lone pair of alkanes are there. Okay. Here three oxygen atoms here directed in a one way. That means single side directional knife. Here in this case different. OH upward, here OH downward. No lone pair repulsions. Here more lone pair repulsions. That's why here beta D mannose is less stable than the alpha D. But in case of the glucose, beta D glucose is more stable because OH equatorial position we can say. Okay, na? An important point. Write the structure of these compounds. Okay. Alpha D glucose and beta D, alpha D mannose. Okay, make a note of it that okay, just here stability. Alpha D glucose, beta D glucose. That means glucopyranose, beta D. Alpha D mannose, beta D mannose, alpha D mannose stable. Okay. This one is alpha D plus glucose. Alpha D plus glucose here. Look here. Alpha D plus glucose. If it is a structure of the alpha D plus glucose, then what is the structure of the alpha L minus glucose? L minus glucose. Exactly mirror image you have to take. In the mirror image, at the anomeric carbon, OH not downward, upward. Because in this case, these two are the mirror images exactly. It is a D plus, it is a L minus. D plus, L minus. Here plus or minus means here exactly these two are the mirror images. Okay, at first class we discussed with that. Okay. So here write the mirror image. This OH upward, this hydrogen. Okay, remaining same. Mirror image కదా మరి mirror image and reverse అవ్వాలి కదరా ఒకటే reverse అవుతుందండి. So this OH downward, this OH upward. Here hydrogen. Now here hydrogen upward, this OH down. Here this one H, this one OH. This one hydrogen, this one CH2 OH. That's it. Alright? Alpha L minus glucose. ఓకే దీని మీద కూడా ఒక బిట్ ఇస్తాం ఎగ్జామ్ చూడండి. D plus glucose L alpha. Okay, exactly. Enantiomers, mirror images. స్ట్రక్చర్ మీదే అడ్వాన్స్ కి 3-4 టైమ్స్ కూడా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ మీద వచ్చాయి. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ఉంది, అది ఎగ్జామ్ ఇస్తాను అప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. స్టడీ కెమిస్ట్రీ రిలేటెడ్. వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి మా సో దోస్ హూ వాంట్ టు వాచ్ ద stereoisomerism classes, we can proceed with my channel. Okay, Project classes. You can see in this YouTube channel. Okay, first year all that means structural isomerism, geometrical isomerism, and optical isomerism. Okay, there is a playlist also. అలాగే ఒక సిరీస్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేశాను నేను 2021 టార్గెట్. ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్ టాపిక్ అయింది దాంట్లో, అంటే ఒక కొన్ని ఫర్ సపోజ్ హైబ్రిడైజేషన్ లో కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ అలా బాండింగ్ అయింది. ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ అయింది, జస్ట్ ఒక 15 minutes అలా ఉంటుంది. అలా నెక్స్ట్ నామన్క్లేచర్ చెప్పాలి దాంట్లో. అంటే నామన్క్లేచర్లో కొన్ని ఒక 10-15 కాంపౌండ్స్ తీసుకుని మంచి మంచి ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాంపౌండ్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. అలాగే ఐసోమెరీలో కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ మంచి కాన్సెప్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్, అలా జిఓసిలో షార్ట్గా అంటే ఫుల్ లెంత్ కాదు అది. దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ది సీనియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దోస్ హు ఆల్రెడీ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ సిలబస్. ఒకసారి రివైజ్ మాట. మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా ఫ్రీ ఉన్నప్పుడు చూడండి, మీకు ఎలాగ ల్యాబ్ ఎలా ఉంది కదా చూడవచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ అయితే ఆల్రెడీ ఐసోమెరీ ఫుల్ లెంత్ క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి దాంట్లో. ఆప్టికల్ ఐసోమెరీ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను రీసెంట్లీ. Okay, so that is about the cyclic structure of the glucose and fructose. Okay, next wasserjohn formation. Wasserjohn formation. Wasserjohn formation. Okay, reaction with phenyl hydrazine. Reaction with phenyl hydrazine. So write down. Reaction with phenyl hydrazine. Okay, glucose, fructose, mannose. Glucose, fructose, mannose glucose, fructose, mannose on reaction with phenyl hydrazine, on reaction with phenyl hydrazine, on reaction with phenyl hydrazine form same wasazone, form same wasazone product, same product known as wasazone, same product known as wasazone. Okay, glucose, fructose, mannose on reaction with phenyl hydrazine form same product, that is wasazone, known as wasazone. Because in the formation of wasazone, in the formation of wasazone, first two carbons are involved. 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 At remaining carbons, configuration is same. At remaining carbons, configuration is same. At the remaining carbons, configuration is same for glucose, fructose, mannose. For glucose, fructose, mannose. For remaining carbons, configuration same. You see this one? OH, OH, H. OH, OH, H. OH, OH, H. Same. First two are different. First two are different. First two carbons are involved in a wasazone formation, then finally we will get the same wasazone. Either from glucose, either from fructose, either from mannose, we will get the same wasazone. Then what is this wasazone? First of all here, phenyl hydrazone. First phenyl hydrazone. You know that reactions of the carbon compounds with ammonia and derivatives. Semicarbazide, semicarbazone, hydrazine, hydrazone, 2,4-DNP, 2-4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Okay. So now here just here loss of water. Addition elimination reaction, those are addition elimination reactions. So H C double bond N P H, this is the hydrogen. C, okay, C H and OH. So remaining is same. Remaining same. Okay. Now here in this case, it is converted into like this. Here just here, this one form a pi bond. Okay. That form a pi bond. You see this one. Just here proton transfer. Carbon double bond here CH. This one NH, NPH and here hydrogen. Okay, this OH hydrogen. You see this one. Right. Here proton transfer. 1, 2, 3. This proton is transferred. That means here double bond. Here OH, this R. Okay. This proton is transferred to this nitrogen. Nothing but tautomerism. Okay. Proton is transferred to this nitrogen. This double bond is shifted. So remaining OH group. I have written this side. Okay. Because it becomes a sp2 planar. So akkada stereochemistry ఏమైతే లాస్ అయిపోయింది. There is a loss of stereochemistry. Yes. Now next here, this one converted to, again here migration of the, that means movement of the electrons. Here loss of H plus, loss of H plus. Here loss of this group PHNH minus. This PHNH minus combines with H plus. So generally totally here cyclic remigration, that means rearrangement of the electrons. So here carbon, this is converted to NH. Now this is converted to double bond O, or now it is NH to PH. Initially PH NH minus, that remove the H plus from this one, converted to aniline. Your side product is the aniline. Okay, it means here this CHOH group, this CHOH either in glucose or mannose is converted to CO. That means it is an alcohol group converted to keto group. So it is an oxidation. It is a oxidation. Okay. Now this one, okay, this one here I am writing like this here. NH double bond CH, this C double bond O, here R. Okay, this one, or I am writing like this one. This is the intermediate product. So HC double bond NH, C double bond O remaining same. Okay, ఈ కేసులో ఏమైతుంది ఇప్పుడు? ఈ కేసులో this is converted, in case of the ketone, it is converted to C double bond NH, it is converted to CHO, C double bond O. It is oxidized. The C double bond O group is converted to imine. It is a imine actually. Here, this C double bond O, C double bond N. Whatever the properties this one exhibit, and this imine also exhibit the same properties. Now this carbon group is involved in addition elimination reaction. You will get the double bond N. Now this C double bond N also involved in same reactions. Okay na? Similar ఉన్నాయి కదా, C double bond O, C double bond N. ఇప్పుడు కార్బన్ గ్రూప్ కి ఏ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అయితే వస్తాయో, ఏ కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్స్ లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతుందో అదే కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ ఇది కూడా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? C double bond N, C double bond O. But here this imine carbonyl compound, which is more reactive, and carbonyl compound is more reactive because more polar group. More polar means here more positive. More positive means here that is readily attacked by the nucleophile. So here by this step, by reaction with 1 mole of the phenyl hydrazine, it is oxidized. Okay, one alkyl group is oxidized to the. Okay, now here this one on further reaction with another 2 moles of phenyl hydrazine, CH2N, NH, PH, another 2 moles. So loss of water molecule, here loss of ammonia, not water. So here finally H, C double bond N, NH, PH, C double bond N, this N, and here NH, PH. This is R. This is the wasazone. That is the wasazone. For the formation of the wasazone, how many moles of phenyl hydrazine consumed? 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine consumed. Here side product is ammonia. Ammonia, and this is aniline. These side products are also important. In wasazone formation, side products are the ammonia and aniline. And here first mole of the phenyl hydrazine is used for the oxidation. Okay, next 2 equals. Okay, now here this wasazone is stabilized by, this wasazone is stabilized by hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen, this is a pH like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 member. Wasazone stabilized by hydrogen bond. It is stabilized by the hydrogen bond. Okay. Now this was a zone. This was a zone on a hydrolysis. This was a zone on a hydrolysis. It is converted to C double bond O. It is also converted to C double bond O. Okay, na? Imines on a hydrolysis produce carbonyl compounds. Okay. Here cut this one. Hydrogen, hydrogen. This is oxygen. Okay, cut this one. Hydrogen, hydrogen. This is oxygen. Was a zone on a hydrolysis. Okay. So then what is the product? HC double bond O, C double bond O, R. Okay, na? This one is the R. On aldehyde group 1, ketone. Ketoaldehyde. This is called as a ozone. This is called as ozone. Now here, this one on reduction with zinc and acetic acid. Zinc is a reducing agent. By loss of electrons, it is oxidizing. By loss of electrons, it is oxidizing. So it is acting as a reducing agent. So aldehyde group and keto group, which is reduced? Aldehyde group is reduced. Aldehyde group is more reactive. Okay. So that means here, that is converted to CH2OH, C double bond O, R. What is the name of this one? Fructose. What is the fructose? R means here same is it? From the was zone or ozone, we can get the fructose. Okay, this is fructose. Okay, so totally 3 moles are right 1 point. For the formation of was zone, 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen consumed. For the formation of was zone, 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen consumed. 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen consumed. First mole is used for the oxidation. First mole is used for the oxidation. First mole is used for the oxidation. Okay, that is the point. Okay, 1 more, 2 moles. Okay, any doubt? Because you are hungry, no doubts. Huh? So write down.